I'd like to introduce to you Maria. She's from Antonio Melendez up on the hill. This is a community of about 75 families that had a fire rage up the side of this beautiful mountain on Monday morning at 9 o'clock, and we're standing in the ruins of Maria's house. She lived here for 20 years. Maria, ¿qué pasó usted?
Bueno, pasé tristeza.
I felt the sadness when I first saw this because I wasn't here. I was at the doctor's in Ensenada. When I came back, I wasn't able to come all the way because my knee was hurting. They called my son by phone and he told me, there's nothing we can do.
Perdón. Ya no había nada.
There wasn't anything. No trees, nothing.
Perdón.
So we would like to ask any of our friends that are of Homes of Hope and Youth with a Mission around the US and Canada and Europe, if you'd like to bring teams and help us reconstruct as many of these families up here on the mountainside as possible. I'd like to introduce to you a very special partner of Youth with a Mission, and that's the First Lady of the City of Ensenada. And this is Beatrice, and I'd like to have her share with you just a few thoughts about what it's like up here on the mountain.
Buenas tardes. No, pues me da
Good afternoon. I would like to thank you first for all the support that you have offered, and for your generosity in the community and your solidarity with the people of Ensenada. There are around 80 families that live in this area, and each and every one of them have their own crop of fruit trees. Last Sunday, because of the Santa Ana winds, there was a disaster. All of their houses were burned, and right now they don't have anything. There are families with kids, and many of the people are elderly. Thanks for your support and your generosity. I feel that it will be possible for them to have a new home again. Thank you.
Muchas gracias.
Hola amigos de Juventud con una Misión. Agradezco mucho.
Hi, friends of Youth with a Mission. I am the mayor. I thank you for your presence here in Ensenada. We had a serious event happen here. It was a fire that devoured 80 ranches. We have to rebuild their houses. Thank you for your effort for being here. In the name of the citizens of Ensenada, thank you very much.
I think our organization of this ministry called Homes of Hope with YWAM is aptly named. We're gathered together to provide hope and a stability for the future. Thank you for considering coming and helping.